everybody. I'm so sorry for the really, really late upload. That's my mistake. My name is Miriam Hepler. I am currently interning with, originally it was more substance use and co-occurring, but I kind of switched to the mental health aspect with teens and tweens. I'll be finishing out my summer with them. And I also work full-time as a school guidance counselor. So I'll be actually going to further education after graduation in August to gain my guidance counseling certification. What I'm very interested to get out of this course is really surrounding working with kids specifically who have intellectual disability as well as autism. The school that I work in is an elementary school, grades K through 4. We house the autism support program for our district. So we have autism support as well as learning support within our building. So we definitely have a lot of kids with varying needs and different levels of functioning as well. So I'm definitely very interested to kind of learn some techniques and kind of get a better understanding of the background of each of like the diagnoses and be able to work with my kids the best that I can. Oh, well, sorry, I'm just reading the last question again and its relevance to my future career. Since I am getting the guidance counseling certification following this, my plan is to stay with my school that I'm working at for at least a little while. I enjoy it a lot and I enjoy my coworkers as well as my work, my students that I work with as well. So I definitely find it pertinent to gain a better understanding for my building itself, having the autism support program. One of our sister buildings has our life skills program for K through 4 as well. So definitely times where they might be in crisis and need assistance, that I'm able to support them in the best way and most effective way that I'm able to. So just definitely being as informed as I possibly can be. So I'm definitely excited for the rest of the course. I feel like we've already covered a lot of good material so far. So all right, I hope everyone has a successful semester and is looking forward to graduation. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys on post. Thank you.